Welcome to our channel, where we are dedicated to helping you understand and maintain your vehicle for optimal performance and longevity. In today's video, we'll discuss the symptoms of a bad fuel rail pressure sensor. Firstly, let's discuss the function of the fuel rail pressure sensor. The main function of the fuel rail pressure sensor is to continuously monitor the pressure of the fuel within the fuel rail. The sensor detects variations in fuel pressure and converts this information into an electrical signal. This signal is then sent to the engine control unit, which utilizes this data to control different functions. The location of the fuel rail pressure sensor can vary depending on the specific make and model of the vehicle. However, in most modern fuel-injected engines, the fuel rail pressure sensor is typically located on the fuel rail and close to the intake manifold. Symptoms of a bad fuel rail pressure sensor. 1. Check engine light illumination. One of the primary indicators of a problem with the fuel rail pressure sensor is the illumination of the check engine light on the dashboard. When the engine control unit detects irregularities in fuel pressure readings, it triggers the warning light. 2. Poor engine performance. When a bad fuel rail pressure sensor provides incorrect readings, the engine control unit may adjust the fuel delivery incorrectly, leading to poor engine performance. This can manifest as rough idling, hesitation, or stalling because the engine is not receiving the optimal fuel-air mixture required for efficient combustion. 3. Difficulty starting. If your fuel rail pressure sensor fails to provide accurate readings during startup, the engine control unit may not deliver the correct amount of fuel to the engine. This can result in extended cranking times or failure to start altogether because the engine is not receiving the necessary fuel for ignition. 4. Decreased fuel efficiency. Inaccurate fuel pressure readings can disrupt the proper air-fuel ratio, causing the engine to run rich or lean. Running rich leads to increased fuel consumption and decreased fuel efficiency since the engine is burning more fuel than necessary for combustion. 5. Engine misfires. Incorrect fuel pressure readings can cause the engine to receive an improper fuel-air mixture, leading to misfires. Misfires occur when the air-fuel mixture fails to ignite or ignites improperly, resulting in rough running, vibrations, and potentially engine damage over time. 6. Black smoke from exhaust. A malfunctioning fuel rail pressure sensor can cause the engine to run excessively rich. This results in incomplete combustion, leading to the production of black smoke from the exhaust as unburned fuel is expelled. 7. Stalling or sudden shutdowns. In severe cases, a malfunctioning fuel rail pressure sensor can cause the engine to stall or shut down unexpectedly. This occurs when the ECU receives erroneous fuel pressure data, leading to incorrect fuel delivery and ultimately engine failure. 8. Increased emissions. A malfunctioning fuel rail pressure sensor can disrupt the engine's fuel-air mixture, leading to increased emissions of pollutants such as hydrocarbons, carbon monoxide, and nitrogen oxides. You may fail emissions tests or notice a strong smell of fuel from the exhaust. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more tips and tricks.